Yo, check it out, I gotta speak the truth about the hardest working small channel in the crypto.
Welcome back to the Crypto Father channel. I am the Crypto Father and today is the 18th of June. I missed a recording this morning. Didn't come up with a topic, then time got a hold of me and I had to run. I only have a couple of hours in the morning and I gotta squeeze everything in that time span, and if I don't prepare a topic ahead of time, then I get pinched for time. So anyway, I'm here now. It's in the same day in the evening, and I came up with an idea just right before, well, in the morning. I just didn't have enough time to record the video, so I'm gonna do that today. And the video will be, I'll show you how to use Chat GPT to create your very own trading strategy. Now, this strategy, just want to make clear that this is not a strategy that you can use. Okay, I'm just going to show you how you can use Chat GPT in order to create a trading strategy, and this is the free version of Chat GPT, so anybody can do it, and both things are free. Chat GPT is free. It's the 3.5, I think. Chat GPT 3.5 I'll be using, and I'll be also using Trading View. Now, if you don't have Trading View, you can get it for free. Follow the link below. It's free. There is nothing that you need to purchase. If you do want to purchase, then I think Trading View has some kind of sale on right now, which you might want to check out. So if it does, I'm going to post the link below. Oh, okay, yeah, there is. So if you follow the link before and you would like to, if you follow the ref link that I will post below the video, and if you do make a purchase, if you do decide to purchase a membership with TradingView, then you'll get a $15 discount on your first purchase of any level. So that's where it is. But again, you don't have to make a purchase. You can just follow the link and register with TradingView, and that's all you need. But before I jump in, please make sure to smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, of course, stick around till the very end so you know what's going on and how to do it. Do consider subscribing to the channel, becoming a member on the channel, become a crypto cat or crypto kitten, and of course share the video with everybody else. Let's get going. So here I am in TradingView, and I already have a script enabled here. It's called EMA crossover strategy with risk management. So this is a prompt that I entered into TradingView, and it spit out this it added this trading strategy here. And again, this is not foolproof by any means. The stuff that I'm going to show you today, please don't take it as 100% reliable trading advice. I'm just going to show you how you can fiddle around, how you can use Chat GPT in order to create your own strategies, and you can muck about with that and decide what works for you. And just learn how to do backtesting. Many times I've heard about people talking about backtesting and backtesting bots or backtesting strategies, and I never had an idea of how to do it. But it's actually very easy to do if you follow these steps that I'm going to show you today in this video. So before I go anywhere, let me just show you. So in the Trading View, when you go to any chart, so once you have your chart set up, I'll be using the Bitcoin chart because that's where I set up the Pine chart. But here at the bottom, there are two windows. This is the Pine editor. So the Pine editor is the script that is used by TradingView. And this is the prompt that you will be using in your Chat GPT. And at the bottom here, if you go, you can click this right here, and this opens the Pine editor right here. You don't have to have the whole window. You can split it in half just like that and adjust it to your own preferences. In the overview, so the strategy that I threw in just randomly, like literally I just made a random request of ChatGPT, and it showed the strategy turned out to be 87.5% profitable, 5.794 profit factor. Max drawdown was $1,986, average trade $580, and my overall net profit on this, so there was a total closed trade was 8, and my total net profit was $4,645. So that's not bad. On 8 trades, I could basically make close to $5,000. The Pine editor is right here, and this is what it looked like. This is the script that will be spat out by Chat GPT, and you have to enter it here. So that's here. There are different screeners, I guess. There's a stock screener, forex screener. I never mess around with those. I'm only interested in the crypto pair screeners. So that's here. There's the strategy tester right here, and this basically gives you the output of what has happened, how the the calculations on the strategy that I inputted into TradingView. So that's the overview. Performance summary, it gives you the exact trades. So there's the net profit, all for longs, for shorts, 0. Gross profit, gross loss, max run. Let me just make this a little bigger. Max run was $5,000. Max drawdown was 1900 right here. Buy and hold return, that is an insane number. I'm not sure what that is, to be honest with you. And you've got trade, average trade was $508, average winning trade $800, average losing trade $900, so that's not too great. And largest winning trade was $3,000, largest losing trade was only $969. So overall, like I said, this strategy seems to, according to the overview, it says that this strategy was 87% profitable. So that's pretty good. Okay, let's go over to Chat GPT. In Chat GPT, it's very simple. Basically, you have to decide on what it is that you're looking for. This is the simple prompt that I entered. I don't want to give out another prompt because I don't want to do it again, because sometimes I found that Chat GPT, even when you use the exact same prompt, it might come up with different results, and you sometimes have to mess around because Chat GPT it'll give you the script with errors, and then you basically have to just remind it and prompt it again to get the errors fixed. So, but the prompt that I created was create a simple trading strategy for Pine script using exponential moving averages. Pine script is the script that is used by TradingView. So you need to include that. We'll try another one with RSI or other indicators. But so here's a basic trading strategy using exponential moving averages in Pine script. This strategy will generate buy and sell signals based on the crossover of two EMAs, a short period EMA and a long period EMA. Simple EMA crossover strategy. Define the strategy and its parameters, create the EMAs, implement the crossover logic, generate buy and sell signals, add strategy setting and plotting. Here's the complete script. So it spat out this script right here and then gave me explanation. Basically, you can read through this. I honestly, I didn't read any of it. I just copied the script and I threw it into TradingView and started playing around with it. So basically, it gives me the parameters. It kind of provides an explanation of what it does and provides me an explanation of how the strategy has been devised and how it's comprised, I guess, right? Then there is testing the script. It gives me exact instructions on how to input the script into TradingView. Open TradingView, go to the Pine editor, copy and paste the script above into the editor, click add to chart and click strategy tester to see the backtesting results. It's that simple. Further optimization. So if there are things that, you know, if you want to fiddle around, for example, with trying to increase the results, right? If the percentage of profit is not to your liking, then you could try changing the parameters. So further optimization, you could try to add stop loss and take profit. You can add stop loss and take profit levels to make risks end lock in profits. You can also combine with other indicators, combining the EMA crossover with other indicators like RSI and MACD can improve signal accuracy. So we're going to try that next one. And then adjust time frames. Test the strategy on different time frames to find the most profitable one. Here's an example of adding stop loss and take profit. So in this particular script, if you notice here, there's stop loss right here. Stop loss and take profit. These two lines are missing in the earlier script. And I'm not sure if I copied this one or the earlier one. Again, over here, calculate stop loss and take profit levels. This is right here. I'm not sure if these parameters are included in the early one. Yeah, no, it's not here. It's not here. So let's see on the Pine editor. Yeah, okay, it's included. So I included the chart here, the script right here. And then basically once that's done, once it's here, you simply copy right here. And then you will have the Pine editor. Basically, when you start, there might be some other script in here. If there isn't, then great. You just click your mouse right here, drag it up, highlight it, and then delete, and it's gone. And then you know, it's here. So I can just I copied the script from Chat GPT, and I can just click it here and paste, and it's right here. And then I would simply go update on chart. I would add to chart, and it's added to chart. It's the same script, so there is no changes. But basically, if I was adding, let's add a new script so you can see how that takes place. We're going to delete this here. Let's scrap it. Pine editor. Let's clear this for the upcoming fun. And let's set new parameters. So the suggestion here was combine with other indicators like the combining the EMA crossover with other indicators like the RSI or MACD. So let's add the MACD to this one. I'll take the same prompt, copy and paste it. Create a simple trading strategy for Pine script using exponential moving averages and MACD. Give it a couple of minutes to do its thing. But basically, so creating a simple trading strategy using both exponential moving averages, EMAs, and moving average convergence, divergence can provide more robust signals. Here's a Pine script that incorporates both indicators for generating buy and sell signals. Now, if you're not familiar with EMAs, MACD, and RSIs, then I suggest you just go search that, Google it. There is a very good Forex trading course. I think it's free. It used to be free. That was the one that I was using to learn many moons ago. But learn these indicators, and of course you can learn them on TradingView as well. But you need to know them, just what they do, approximately what they look like, to give you an idea of what to use. And so this is what the script looks like. Define the strategy and its parameters. Create the EMAs and MACD. Implement the crossover logic for EMAs and MACD. Generate buy and sell signals. Add strategy settings and plotting. Here's the complete script. All right, so if you notice here, it's a strategy, EMA and MACD crossover strategy. So it immediately gives you a name for the strategy, but there is no stop loss and no take profit. So the risk on this would be much too great, I think, and it wouldn't be. So it should have another script. Yeah, it did give me another script. So if you keep scrolling, it gives you the same thing. Explanation, define a strategy, input parameters, calculate the EMAs, plot the EMAs, calculate MACD, plot the MACD, generate buy and sell signals, and so on. Testing a script, and then further optimization. So add stop loss and take profit. You can add stop loss and take profit levels to manage risk and profit. So the next one is with the stop loss and take profits, which is what we're going to use. If you wanted to optimize it even further, you could, in the prompt, you could add the exact percentages that you would like the stop loss and take profits to take place. So for example, if you wanted to have a stop loss at 1% and take profit at let's say 4%, then you could indicate that, and this would be done for you. In any case, okay, so here it is. We're gonna copy and go over to the Pine script and paste it right here. There it is, color green and so, and then you go to add to chart. Boom, so it's here. Sometimes if you do get an error, then you simply have to copy and paste the error, go back to the script and enter it. I'll show you in a second. But let's have a look at the strategy. Apparently it's a 100% profitable. That's amazing. That is fabulous. Unfortunately, it's only one trade. So maybe this is not the best backtesting strategy right here on this. So it also depends, the strategy that you're testing also depends on the time frame that you have your graph set to. So I had it set on the week, and it only shows me one trade. So it took one trade, and it took the trade. This is March 2020, because it's backtesting. So it's not testing the waters as they are right now, but rather how they were in the past. So back in February of 2020, this would have been the winning trade. So if you want to find out you know, a better time frame, you simply need to switch the time frame. So let's go to the 1 hour chart, for example, and immediately you have 32 trades. And right now this is not looking too great. It's 43% profitable, so that's not too great. Let's go on the smaller time frame, 30 minutes. It's still 45% profitable, which is not great. Here's the, again, the 41% profitable. Same change, it doesn't change. This is actually a net negative result. On the 5 minute, we're also in the gutter. 1 minute, also a negative. So this strategy is bunk. Let's try the early one because that looked good. Let's try the earlier strategy. We'll get rid of this one here. Paste the early one. Update the chart. Okay, so on the 1 minute, it's only 26% profitable, so that's not great either. On the 15 minutes, it's 31% profitability, but we're also in the gutter. 30 minutes, the profitability goes up a little bit to 40%. On the 1 hour, we're at 42%. On the 4 hours, 50%. Basically, the longer the time frame, the better the profitability is. On the daily, you're at 53%, and on the weekly, it's at 87%. But so these would be like long time trades, right? We're looking at, so for example, there is a buy signal here. There's a buy signal here that occurred on the 14th of May, sorry, on the 26th of May of 2014. Wow, that's a very old example. So this would take like 91 days, 13 weeks, so 90. It's a trade of 91 days. That's how long it would have taken, yeah, for the profit to take place. So anyway, like I said, this video is meant just to show you how to begin using Chat GPT, how to begin using AI in order to learn basically the creating of bots, the creating of trading strategies, something that a lot of YouTubers, well, I don't know if a lot, but some YouTubers make videos about, and a lot of people try to sell on. And well, you're getting this here for free. So this is something that you need to learn on your own. I will continue to practice this, to play around with this, and hopefully figure out. I think I had some good strategies in the past, and I'm pretty sure there is a trading panel here. There's paper trading that you have on TradingView. You can set that up, and I did have some trades that were in some hefty profits. Right here on Binance Bitcoin USDT, I'm $506,000 in profit. Boy, if only that was a real profit, right? So, but yeah, so this is, I entered along at 29,000. Bitcoin was at 29,000 and basically rode it all the way up to where it is today. So this was like early entry. When was that, I wonder? Let's have a look quickly. Okay, so the placing order, this was a buy order for 29,000 for Bitcoin last year in July, 28th of July. So 28th of July would have been a good time to buy Bitcoin. It was at 29,000. Pretty bottom at that time. Let's try one more prompt. Instead of MACD, we'll use RSI. We'll copy this prompt here. MACD and RSI. Set stop loss and take profit parameters. So this is a bit of more advanced strategy. We'll see how that works. Here's a simple strategy, trading strategy using exponential moving averages, the moving average, convergence, divergence, and the relative strength index. This strategy will also include stop loss and take profit parameters for risk management. All right, so there's only one script. There is no further script, but there are some further optimizations suggested. Fine-tune parameters, adjust the smart EMA period, long EMA period, MACD fast length, MACD slow length, MACD signal smoothing, RSI period, RSI overbought and oversold values to find the optimal settings for your strategy. So I guess this would be another prompt, and basically I could just copy and paste this just over here. Maybe we can do that just to show you. And then another suggestion is combining this strategy with additional indicators can further improve signal accuracy. Test the strategy on different time frames to find the most profitable one. So it's pretty descriptive in how to use it. But let's copy and paste this and put it into the prompt here. See what Chat GPT comes up with now. And so ultimately the suggestion was made for me to set the parameters for the MACD, the long and short periods, and the RSI. But I'm just being lazy, as you know, demonstration purposes here. I'm just being quick without trying to think too much. And just to show you how easy it is to basically communicate with Chat GPT and get it to do whatever you want it to do. The more information you provide it with, the better the output it creates, obviously. And so these are the parameters that it came up with. Short EMA period 9, long EMA period 21. So you can adjust these to your liking. MACD fast length 12, slow length 26, and signal smoothing at 9. Default and RSI period 14. Overbought at 70, oversold at 30. Stop loss at 1.5% and take profit at 3%. All right, so let's copy and paste this sucker. We'll take it and put it into the Pine script here. Pine editor. Where is that thing? Pine editor right here. Copy and paste, and we'll update the chart. Let's see what it came up with. Came back without errors, so that's good. But so the strategy tester on the 1 week, it's actually really bad. 1 day, not great. Let's see, 1 hour, 53. So on 1 hour, it turns out to be 50% profitable. The net profit is $3,235, which is not bad. Let's see on a smaller time frame, 30 minutes. On the 30-minute time frame, it's 55% profitable. The net profit is a little bit lower. On the 15-minute time frame, it seems to be increasing. So the smaller time frames are a little bit more welcoming to this particular strategy. $3,400 in profit. On the 5 minute, it's not looking too great, and on the 1 minute, it's completely atrocious. So it seems like it had the best performance on 15 minutes on a 15-minute time frame. So the trading range is between 2018 and 2024, and it only shows very few trades. So it's not the best strategy. Anyway, so there's also an option for deep backtesting, but in order to get that, you need to have a premium membership. So you could do that. You could update to premium membership, which is $49 per month. If you do it annually, you get 16% off. It's like 60 days free. And also, if you register with the link through the ref link below, you save yourself $15. So on the premium, you'd be paying $400 and $75, something like that. On the plus, it would be a little bit less, but the backtesting is a little bit more limited. But you get 4 charts per tab, 10 indicators, 10K historical bars, 100 price alerts, 100 technical alerts, and all that good stuff here. But again, you don't need to. You can use it the way it is. Alright, I think that's going to be it for this video because it's turning out to be quite lengthy already. So if this was helpful, if you found this informative rather, then make sure to smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, leave me a like, leave me a comment in the comment section below. If you thought this was complete garbage, then let me know. If you thought it was beneficial, then also let me know. Please share the content with anybody else who you think is who might find this interesting, and share any thoughts, suggestions, or ideas below. And if you do feel generous, then become a member on the channel. But always remember to share the content with as many people as you can. Let the YouTube algorithm know that this channel matters, and let's go to the moon. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.